Rolling Stone magazine calls Natalie Prass one of the 10 new artists you need to know, and you'll get to know her and her music in this morning's Saturday session. Born in the Tidewater region of Virginia, Prass started out as a keyboardist for singer Jenny Lewis before striking out on her own.
When I tweeted she was going to be on the show, her former tour mate, Grammy winner Ryan Adams, replied, quote, "Such a classic album." Here she is from her self-titled debut album, Natalie Prass, with the single Bird of Prey.
You plucked me from the flame. Oh, a clean detachment. And although it wasn't time, why let it happen? Oh, you don't let me no choice. Choice but to run away. You are a bird of prey with a heart like the night. I had a field road to hide. Deep fields and tall grasses. And yes, I will not tell you until you have me. Knocking on my door, all this running chains. It's almost like I planned it. Never felt arms as tight on me before. I never said I didn't want you knocking on my door. All this running chains. It's almost like I planned it. It's out of hand. It's out of my control. No, you don't leave me no choice. You don't leave me no choice. Choice but to run away. You are a bird of prey with a heart like the night. And I never said I didn't want you. I never said I didn't want you knocking on my door. Ooh, no, I never said. I know I never said I didn't want you. I never said I didn't want you knocking on my door.
Don't go away. We'll be right back with more music from Natalie Prass. You're watching CBS This Morning, Saturday.